What's up guys, Mitch from Panda Motorworks here, and today we are excited to introduce our very own Bronco tuning solution, the Panda Power Module. This small plug-and-play module packs a huge punch and is a performance upgrade that every Bronco owner should consider. Nothing else on the market can provide these dyno-proven gains while keeping your factory warranty intact. Our Panda Power Module can give your 2.3 or 2.7 Bronco performance gains up to 20%. Now let's take a look at what you get. This is the Panda Power Module. As you can see, it will be marked with the specific application. In this case, we are looking at the 2.3 liter module. We had this installed on our SEMA build, and this thing really takes your Bronco to a whole nother level. Along with the module will be the wiring harness and everything you need to have a clean install in just a few minutes. To get the most from your Panda Power Module, we are also including a set of pre-gapped one-step Kohler spark plugs to help your Bronco better handle the added power this module will give. We did a full video on these plugs, and if you're interested in learning more about why this is a part of our kit, go check that video out. I'll put the link in the description below. So you're probably wondering, is this plug-and-play module a safe upgrade? The answer is yes. Since we co-developed this tuning module, we were able to apply our years of EcoBoost expertise to make sure that the increased power delivery was safe for the transmission and long-term reliability. Our plug-and-play module helps boost the performance of your Bronco while maintaining all OEM failsafes. This module will retain your factory warranty. Once uninstalled, this device leaves no trace on your vehicle. That's right. So if you need to head on over to the dealership for some warranty work, simply uninstall the device and you're good to go. Our Panda Power Module will come preset with 3 modes. You have Eco, Sport, and Race. It is Bluetooth compatible, so you can control the settings directly from your phone. So now that you know what you get, you may be wondering, why do I need this? Well, there are a number of reasons this module is a good mod for your Bronco, and added speed isn't the only one. The Bronco is built for off-roading, so say you've lifted your Bronco and put a new wheel and tire package on it, like we did for our SEMA build. That will make your engine work harder to turn the wheels, making it feel more sluggish than it was from the factory. The extra horsepower and torque this performance mod gives will eliminate that sluggishness and make your Bronco feel truly capable of handling any terrain it comes across. So whether you're looking to have more fun ripping across the wilderness or give your Bronco an added boost through your morning commute, our Panda Power Module will give you the performance you need to make it happen. Alright guys, that's going to just about wrap this one up. Go ahead and check out the link in the description if you want to learn more about this exciting new product. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button. For more Bronco content, make sure that you are subscribed and have that notification bell clicked, because our analytics show that roughly 75% of you are not subscribed. So definitely make sure you do that so you don't miss out on any of our content or giveaways. Drop a comment if you got any questions. Other than that, thanks for watching.